Hey everyone, I'm Travis with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how to turn these special notebooks into a more personal item through sublimation. So stick around as we customize this. If you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Now, let's get started. Are you looking for a simple way to start getting inspired for a fresh year? These blank notebooks in particular have a special coating on their front side to hold sublimation transfers on its white polyester surface. By taking advantage of this, you can easily apply your own pattern or vibrant image that leaves for a notebook that's specifically yours for noting any big plans or even in others as a general gift. Available in small, medium, and large sizes, there's a sublimation notebook that's available for any purpose that's on the go or at the desk. How many pages are inside it, you ask? Great question. So, as long as you find a notebook matching near the notebook size, you can fit just about as many pages as you like based on the notepad's pages. Applying your own image onto these notebooks is simple. You'll begin by importing it onto your imaging software, then scaling it within the imprint area of the item. By using Sawgrass Creative Studio included with the Sawgrass printers, you can set a custom canvas exactly to your notebook's imprint area dimensions, notated at heatpressnation.com. Though, to ensure that your image doesn't clip upon application, you can add a 1/4 inch to both their width and height as extra bleed. As we'll be printing on a medium notebook, we'll set a custom canvas size of 8¼ by 10¼ inches. If printing for the large notebook, however, you will need at least 8½ by 14-inch paper to print a full image with extra bleed. As of this video's release, you're unfortunately not able to save your Creative Studio project with a custom canvas due to the tool's limitations. But proceeding with what you've created, you may go ahead and print it through your sublimation printer. On Sawgrass Creative Studio, go to its print menu and set the following settings. Product to polyester, paper set to your paper's profile, leave mirror checked, and change your color mode to photographic or vivid, depending on your image's level of detail. With these settings in, go ahead and click the print button below. Now that the transfer's been printed, we're about ready to customize a sublimation notebook. Turn on your heat press and set it to 50 to 60 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. As soon as your machine reaches temperature, cover the lower platen with a sheet of parchment paper. Then add your transfer on top with the printed side up. Now, you may place your notebook with its front side facing towards the image. Then attach it in place using heat tape. To make it easier, you can flip just the front side of the notebook and position and attach it to your transfer from there. With your notebook prepared, make sure to take out any contents inside. Then you may flip it with the paper side up. Cover it with another piece of parchment paper, then press. Once the timer reaches 0, open your machine and allow the item to cool down for a moment. Afterwards, you may quickly peel the transfer out of your notebook, and now it's been sublimated with your very own image. If you're interested in sharing your custom notebooks with us alongside a growing community of heat transfer and customization enthusiasts, feel free to join our Heat Press Nation Creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. But to learn more about sublimation notebooks and other similar blanks, be sure to visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can get in touch with one of our friendly MyExpert representatives at heat.press/support. I'm Travis with Heat Press Nation, and have a great day.